How to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a new lock screen and home screen wallpaper step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Now tap Add New Wallpaper. Here you can choose from your photos or select from Apple's built-in wallpaper collections and featured designs. Once you select a wallpaper, you can swipe to preview different styles. You also have the option to customize it by adding widgets or changing the clock style on the lock screen, depending on your preference. When you're ready, tap Add and choose whether to set it as your lock screen, home screen, or both. After setting it, lock your iPhone to see your new wallpaper applied. You can also change your wallpaper directly from the lock screen. Just press and hold on the screen until Face ID or passcode appears. After unlocking, tap Customize, and you can edit your wallpaper again, change styles, or add widgets anytime. Once done, tap Done to save your changes. And that's how you change wallpaper on iPhone in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.